Now I'm going to show you the difference on a vacuum decay test on hard metal line that has never been used. There's no Poe oil in it. There's no PAG oil in it. So we see we're down here at 152 microns right now. We're at 152 microns. This is nearly, what is it, 45, 47 feet of copper line, 7/8 inch round, going all the way to the 5-ton evaporator coil. And you remember in other videos, the evaporator coil is almost 2 feet high, and it's 2 coils in the shape of an A. It's one coil goes up, and it's like 2.5 inches thick, and then the coil comes down in an A shape, and it goes down another 2 feet like. Then it has to go through the expansion valve. Then it has to come back another 47 feet or so through this little 3/8 line. So we have over 80, almost 90 feet of copper line that has never been used. It's been on the vacuum pump for almost 15 minutes now, and we're down to 148 microns. So let's shut off the vacuum and watch the vacuum decay. And you're gonna see something very, very different than, and you see, and I'm doing it the worst way possible. I'm using rubber hose where I couldn't find my adapter. I took it in the house with all my other gauges, and I was doing some service and I didn't bring it with me. And then my batteries on my backup Testo are dead too. So I couldn't do it the right way and take a better vacuum right at the port. I'm doing it the way that actually adds more micron reading to it, going through a rubber hose and through a micron gauge. Because you see the vacuum is here being sucked through the low side, and the pressure measurement is being read on the high side. So let's turn off the vacuum. 1, 2, 3, go. Now let's see what the vacuum decay looks like. So we come back up here, look at the vacuum decay. It actually went down 1 micron. You see it jumping up? That's what happens when you don't have moisture. We're at 146 microns. That's because this is metal and there's no Poe oil. Now, if you let an automotive guy work on this system and he wants to look for leaks, and he goes get shop compressed air and pumps shop wet compressed air inside the system with all the Poe oil system, you just screwed the system. You'll never pull it down like that after that. That's what guys do in automotive. The guys in commercial and residential can't believe there's anybody stupid enough to use shop compressed air to look for leaks in a system that has PAG or Poe oil. But this is the result when you have no moisture or contamination. Remember, I shut it off and it's still down. See you guys later. That's the difference between being able to test and prove and guys who just guess and pull shit out of their head saying you can use shop compressed air contaminating a system. See you guys later. Anybody working on automotive, you've purchased one of these things, you know how hard it is to get down to 144 microns, let alone after you turn off the vacuum, how hard it is to keep it down there. That is the difference between a contaminated system and a not contaminated system. See you guys later.